everybody, in this video we'll understand whether we can use Cash App card for Facebook Pay or not. So in order to understand this, make sure to watch this video right till the end. So it is actually possible you could use a Cash App card with Facebook Pay, now Meta Pay, by adding it as a debit card within the Facebook Messenger app. So for that, you will need to enter the card number, expiry date, CVV, and the billing zip code. This allows you to use your Cash App card for payment within Facebook and other apps that support Meta Pay. In order to do this, you have to access the Messenger app on your phone and tap on your profile icon, then go to payment sections. As you go to payment, choose the option to add a new debit card. Then input the cash card app number, expiry date, CVV, and a billing zip code. Then you have to verify the information and save the card to your Facebook Pay settings, and that is how you'll have made it so. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.